financial freedom. Take a moment and notice that the world is changing each and every day with all of the uncertainty that surround us today, especially during this period of pandemic. Businesses are shutting down just before opening the doors to a lifelong dream. People are losing long-term jobs without any idea of how to take control of their destiny. I'm a financial entrepreneur, and I have helped thousands of individuals take control of their lives financially. I want to share with you what I know about restarting a life from scratch and put yourself in the driver's seat. Perhaps you have heard of the blockchain and how the financial industry is testing a new rewards program. A new rewards program that will hold your hand as you interact within the metaverse, the minefield of technology. Many traditional companies spend billions of dollars on advertising just to get the one thing every company craves. What is that? It is nothing short of loyal customers. I have found the perfect model, and I want to share that with you. Continue watching this video until the very end and find out how you can learn the simple technique to put yourself in the driver's seat of your life. Let me first give you a disclosure. I'm not a financial advisor. However, I can guarantee that this model is designed to allow you the freedom to create a lifestyle for financial freedom. I will share with you specific details of how I achieved a laptop lifestyle that allows me the freedom to work from home or any place in the world. What I know for sure, movie stars, musicians, and sports professionals are paid billions of dollars as influencers to promote a particular item or product that he or she may not even use. Wouldn't it be nice if you could be a billboard and compensated just for using something that you love? That day is here. I'd like to share with you a business model for financial freedom. This model will allow you to increase your income exponentially daily. With this growth, you will learn and earn effortlessly about the metaverse, blockchain, and Bitcoin, along with other futuristic technologies. I will teach you the benefit of being a loyal customer to the product you love. What is that product? That product is you. Leave a comment below to find out how to take your freedoms back. You will learn from the mistakes of many high-profile companies that have taken advantage of you as their consumer without so much as a thank you. It's time to move forward with a new idea of how to get in the driver's seat of your life unapologetically and create the lifestyle you want and deserve.